It's better than playing video games, you guys. You gotta keep your bodies active and healthy so that you grow up to be healthy adults. Okay. Come on, Ethan. You got it.